Hi guys, now to all my experts out there and beginners, if you are new to affiliate marketing and you don't know how to make money online, on this video I'm going to show you a new method on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. And don't worry, this method isn't complex and it works for everyone. So without wasting any much of your time, let's get started. First of all, what you want to do is go on to ClickBank and register for their affiliate programs. And for those of you that already know, if you are following this affiliate marketing trend, you already know what ClickBank is. They offer you products to sell, and if you manage to sell these certain products, you get a commission. You start to join the affiliate program. So what you're going to do is click on these three dots on the side and click on login. Now, if you already have an account, fine, go ahead and log in. But if you do not have an account with ClickBank, click on I do not have an account, create new account. Now go ahead and put in your details, and it says that you have to fill in your accurate details because they are going to confirm your account. So go ahead and fill in your details and register. Now once you've registered, you're going to get a brief summary of all these products that you can sell and get a commission back. Now once you've picked out one product to sell, what you're going to do now is go on to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to write an ebook for you on set topics of cooking recipes and whatever you're going to be doing related to your product. So now once ChatGPT has written an ebook for you, you are going to copy it, save it in any notepad you have, and go onto Canva and pick a cover for that ebook. This is going to be a free ebook that you are going to be giving to your traffic that you're going to be getting from TikTok. So you go onto TikTok and make all these compilation videos with voiceovers on top. You can get a voiceover from 11 Labs and other voiceover platforms out there, Speechify and more like that. The fitness niche, this is very easy to do, but also for the cooking niche, you can get compilation of cooking videos, reduce the sound and put in your voiceover on top, make it interesting. Now you're going to upload this video to TikTok, and people watch your videos and they want to learn more about your cooking recipes. You're going to tell them that there's a link on your description that contains an ebook of these recipes. So when they go into your description, they're going to find a link to your website. Now you don't need a complex website for this, you just need a landing page where people can sign in for your newsletter with their email and their name. Now this is where the technical part comes in. Not really technical though. Now once they've signed up with their email and their name, you're going to collect that emails, store it in your notepad or whatever you're going to be using, and send them that ebook. Now once you've sent them that ebook, remember you picked the products on ClickBank that you're going to be selling. So now once you send them your ebook, you're going to be following up with daily messages that will eventually lead to you presenting your products. So eventually you persuade them to buy that certain product you picked from ClickBank. And the reason why I picked ClickBank and not Amazon affiliates, ClickBank offers you more cash back when you sell a particular product. So certain products on ClickBank, you can get a commission of up to $100. You can sell that product to just one customer. So you see, with certain products, you don't need a ton of people to just buy that product for you to start earning money. Your first customer can even make you a commission of up to $100. And you're not the only one doing this. There are a couple other people doing this, like websites on top 10 gaming PC, top 10 websites of the best washing machine, the top 10 websites of everything. Any website that has a listing on their page with a link to buy that thing, you know that website has an affiliate program and they are making tons of money with that. So why not do the same? And I'm sure you guys have already seen this psychology trend going on YouTube or manipulation and stuff like that. And I'll tell you that my free ebook is in the link in the description below. Now once you click on that link and get their free ebook, it's not going to end there. They're going to keep sending you messages and eventually offer you a product to buy. So basically you are just doing the same thing on another niche. And while signing up to ClickBank, I noticed that there is no place where you can fill in a Nigerian number. You don't have an option to fill in a Nigerian number. But alternatively, what you can do is that you can go and sign up to these eSIM platforms like eNaira, all those eSIM platforms, Numero, stuff like that. And you're going to buy a US number for, I think, 2,000 naira. That is $2. So once you've gotten that US number, you're going to take it and impute it in this website. When they send you a code, it's going to land in your inbox. Basically an eSIM, what an eSIM does. So you're going to get this code and use it to sign up. Or if you have someone living in the US, you can ask them for their number to sign up to ClickBank with. So that wraps up today's video, and if you benefited from this video, please do me a favor and hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be making more videos like this where I try out different methods that work for other YouTubers to see if it's actually legit and how you can make money online with them. If you're interested in making money with Google Maps in Nigeria or wherever you are from, click on this video here to see exactly how you can do it and how much you could potentially make from this business module.